Hey guys, we wanted to go through the order that you just finished seeing in the demo. And so what we've done is we have put the front end of Sprout Studio here, so what your clients would see. And on the other side, we put the back end of Sprout Studio. This is where you would create the order, edit the order, etc. So to go through a few aspects of the invoice, we have the photographer details right up here. We have the invoice details right over here. We have the client's details right here. We have all of the order details right here. And we have all of the payment details right over here. We also import your business name, phone number, and email right from your brand. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the back end of your order, and we're going to click modify just so you can see exactly what it's like when building your order. So the first thing you are going to see is we have our price list selected here, and we have our package right over here. So the package you're going to see has the total right here, and everything underneath it is what is included in the package. You'll see that right over here while you're inside the order. The only thing you won't see is the actual price of each one of the items here, because when it's bundled into a package, we don't actually show every individual item price. You can change the quantities right over here. You'll see them right over here. You could change whether the items are taxable, and you could see that even in the invoice right over here. And if you wanted to delete any of them, you can click this red X right over here. Adding a new item is as simple as clicking the Add Item button and choosing one of the items that's in your price list. They'll show up right underneath here if you added them in. The next thing you're going to notice is that this actually says paying invoice 2 out of 3. So the way orders work in Sprout Studio is that you create a whole order and then you break that order into payments or invoices. So you'll notice that right over here in the payment schedule, we have our payment schedule right here. If I click edit on it, you can see that I've actually got 3 different payments in here, and this would be this one right here. The next thing we're going to show you is the collection methods. You can actually specify how you want your clients to be able to pay you just by clicking the collection methods. And you'll see that if you click the Pay Now button in the invoice. We also have our tax right over here. And the tax you're going to see is actually right over here. You can actually see it actually in the order here as well. It's just grayed out because you can't change it after it's been added, but this is where it would live. The last thing I'm going to bring your attention to is the contact details. So if you ever wanted to edit or delete the contact details, you can actually just go right here and either click edit, and you're going to see everything in here, their address, their emails, their phone numbers, their name. You can upload a picture for them. Or if you needed to delete it and add somebody else, you can click delete and just add a new contact into there. It's going to reflect it right up here. That's how we created this order, and happy sprouting.